Okay, part 2. Ito naman, give the above name of the following compounds. So let's start. So number 1, this is benzene. So we count here 1. What yung color? Wait lang. Okay, so here, this is a benzene. So we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What happened? So that means that's 1 chloro, 1 chloro, 3 methyl benzene. Okay, so that's okay. You can also have M referring to this. This is the meta, ortho, meta, para. Then this is meta and ortho. So that is M, chloro, methyl benzene. But this one is okay already. Next, we have here still the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6. Okay. So that is 1, 3, 5 tri chloro benzene. Okay. Next, number 3. So sa number 3, merong tatlo. So we have here alcohol. So alcohol, amine, and then nabibilugan ko siya. Okay. Thiol. And then we have here phenyl. Okay. But by priority, kung babalikan natin to, ito ulit sila. So ito, alcohol yung priority, followed by thiol, amine, and then, nandito yung arene. So, pag magka-count, ang counting natin ay pinakamalapit kay alcohol. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, that means, take note that this becomes all sa prefix niya. This is all. This becomes amino. This becomes mercapto. And prefix na sila. And then this one is a phenyl. Okay, so in naming, so we start with the least priority. 7 phenyl. 4 mercapto. 4 amino. 3 mercapto. Mercapto. 2 heptano. Okay. Next, we have alcohol. So, we have 2 alcohol. So, that becomes diol. And then, we count the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that's 1, 2, butane diol. Or butane 1, 2 diol. This one is ether. So we count here 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Shorter is ethene. So, ethoxy butane. Okay. Next, number 6. So, for number 6, you look for the longest carbon chain. If you have this, would this give you the longest carbon chain or this one? Okay, so ito tayo sa may double bond. So with that, ang carbon chain mo ay ito, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Zoom natin. 8. Tapos, meron ka dito methyl. Methyl. Tapos, ito ay ethyl. Ito ay double bond with O, ketone. So, we start with, ano ba number ko? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6. Tama ba? Okay. So, we start with, okay. Name natin by, eto dalawa, alphabetically arranged. So, una si ethyl. So, nasan siya? 6 ethyl. And then we have here hyphen 4, 5 dimethyl. And then meron pa tayong double bond. Dalawang double bond. Nasa 4 and 6. So, 4, 6, di-in. But before that di-in, dapat meron muna tayong parent chain. Octa. 4, 5, 6, di-in. 3, on. Octadiene on. Ganun siya. So, this one is ketone. Nasa third carbon. Double bond, nasa 4 and 6. Octa, parent chain. Then, these two are substituent. Okay, branch. So, that's it. Next, we have here. So, we count closest carbon chain na priority. So, this is alcohol and carboxylic acid. So, we start with carboxylic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 6. And then this one is penyl. Okay, so alcohol will become hydroxy. Okay, this become hydroxy. And then this one is oic acid. And then still penyl. So we start with 4 penyl. Five hydroxy. and it's on one. Carboxylic acid is on number 1, so hexanoic acid. So there. Next, number 7. So we have here thiol, amine, chlorine, which is and then we have here carboxylic acid. So we started carboxylic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. Okay. So least priority dito sa alkyl halide. So we start with 2 chlorine, 2 chloro, 3 amino, 5 mercapto. Yung thiol, naging mercapto na. And then, it's on number 1. So, pentanoic acid. Okay. So, ayan. Next. Okay. This one is cycloalkane. Okay. So, we count closest to the functional group. So, we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is thiol, but then this becomes mercapto. This one, I think I have shown you isopropyl. Okay, so we start with 2. And then the priority would be the ketone. So that's a parent chain. So we have 2 isopropyl, 6 mercapto, then 1 cyclo, or kahit wala ng 1 mercapto, cyclo, heptan 1-O or heptanone. Yan. Pwede rin na ito ay heptan okay. Next, number 10. We start with amine. Oops. So amine. And then, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 bromo. This is iodo. 3 bromo, 4 iodo, hexanamine. So, pwede rin hexanamine na lang or 1 hexanamine. Okay, or tas ito ay C. Kahit saan. Next, we have here cyclopentane, hexanol. So, So take note that this is, we have here carbon and then double bond with O. Although it's not obvious to me H dito. If you have your carbon, then you have one bond here, then double bond with O. It still need to bond with H to complete the octet. So that means this is an aldehyde. Okay, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexanal. And then we have here cyclopentane. So cyclopentane will become cyclopentenyl. This is methyl. So this one will be 5-methyl for cyclopentane, but then it's an alkyl, so pentenyl. Then the parent chain is hexanal. Ayan. Or 1-hexanal or hexanal. Okay. Next, 12. Okay. Okay, priority is the thiol. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So we have 2-chloro. So 4,6 dichloro 3 heptanediol. Okay, next we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have here ketone. Okay, and then this one is 1, 2, so ethyl. This one is ethyl. So we have diethyl. Saan makikita? Sa 3, 4, diethyl. And then we have ketone dun sa second, 2 hexanone. Okay. Next, 14. So we have here alcohol. So we count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is penyl. So this one will be 5-penyl 2 heptanol. So again, we have penyl on the number 5, alcohol on the second carbon. Next, so we have alcohol and amine. This becomes amino. Amine, alcohol. So this would take OL, then this becomes amino. So you count closest to alcohol. 4, 5, 6. So that will be 5-amino. Ang colorful na nito. 5-amino 2 hexanol. Next. So this is ester. So we start with 1 and then ester. So this is 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we start the shortest, yung katabi ng O. So that's methyl. Then heptanoate. Methyl heptanoate. Okay. Ayan, okay na yun. Next, mas madali pala yung nasa dulo. Okay, this is single bond. So, alkene lang siya. You just count kung saan pinakamalapit. Yung, kahit dito ako magsimula, 3 pa din to. At ito ay 3. So, dito na lang. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, nonene. And then we have 3 methyl and then isang ethyl. Okay, so arrange alphabetically. We start with 4 ethyl. Then, tatlo yung methyl, so we can use 3, 6, 7, trimethyl. Nonene. Okay. Next. This is, okay, so we count closest dun sa mayroong bond. Double bond. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ayan na siya. Okay. 12 siya. Tapos may, so 12 is dodeca. Tapos meron kang tatlong triple bond. So, try yin. Ay, tatlong double bond. Tapos meron kang isopropyl. Okay, so we start with the isopropyl muna bago methyl. So 9 isopropyl. Then we have 2, 8 dimethyl. Excuse me. Dodeca. Tapos 2, 4, 6 try in. Ganon. Okay. So, ayan siya. Colorful. Okay. And then, mayroon pa ditong isa. Next video na lang.